Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure your phone is not hacked. First, always secure your device with a strong, unique passcode, ideally 6 digits or more, or use biometric authentication. Enable automatic software updates for your operating system and all applications. This ensures you receive critical security patches promptly, protecting against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Regularly check and adjust app permissions to control what information each app can access, limiting potential data exposure. To further protect your phone, only download applications from official app stores. Third-party sources often harbor malicious software that compromises your device. Exercise extreme caution with any suspicious links or unsolicited messages, as these are common phishing attempts designed to steal your credentials. Consider installing a reputable mobile security application. Many offer features like malware scanning and secure browsing, adding an important layer of defense. Your network and physical environment also play a crucial role in phone security. Avoid connecting to unsecured public Wi-Fi networks, as they are often vulnerable to eavesdropping and data interception. Never use public charging stations, which can be compromised with juice-jacking malware. Always use your own charger and a wall outlet. Furthermore, always keep your phone physically secure. Never leave it unattended in public places, as physical access is often the first step in a hacking attempt. For advanced protection, enable two-factor authentication on all your critical accounts, adding an extra layer of security beyond just a password. Regularly back up your phone's data to a secure cloud service. This ensures your information is safe even if your device is compromised or lost. Finally, stay informed about the latest security threats and best practices. Awareness is your best defense against evolving hacking techniques, helping you maintain a secure digital life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.